Ever felt an uncontrollable urge to yawn when someone else does? Well, you're not alone. Yawning is surprisingly contagious, and it's not just about being tired. Scientists believe contagious yawning is linked to empathy. It's a social mirroring behavior suggesting we understand and share others' emotional states. Even reading about yawning or hearing the word yawn can trigger one. This highlights the power of suggestion and our brain's interconnectedness. So, did this video make you yawn? It's a testament to the fascinating, often mysterious ways humans connect. Our brains are wired for social connections. If you found this mind-blowing, hit that subscribe button for more fun facts about the human body and mind. Stay curious, and keep yawning.